Also, guys, we are from a girls' school, and I don't know why some random guys used to just be there outside school, like after school used to get over. Actually, I became close to her in 10th standard because tum log ka section got changed, and I was stuck with her in a different section. So then was a time when I became close to her, and frankly, I genuinely thought that she's a very good friend, but over time I realized that she was never truly a real friend or a true friend.
She was not a good friend. She was a good liar. She was a bitch. Sorry to say.
Bitch,
That
bitch.
too.
And her obsession, boys.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Sip Happens. I'm Priyanshi,
I'm Aditi.
And I'm Ishita.
and today we're going to talk about that one friend whom we even regret calling a friend because guess what? She's a walking red flag in all of our lives. And most probably, she'll deserve an Oscar for playing the role of best actress as a best friend in our lives. Here we are spilling some tea about that one friend whom we cannot name, but let's call her Tanya.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's start. So this friend, Tanya, I met this person in school, and she was our common friend, and all of us were in the same school. I met her in ninth standard when she had no partner to share her bench with, and I was also in the same place. So coincidentally, I had to sit with her. That is when this entire thing started, and I came to know about this person.
Remember the time we were sitting together, me, you, apparently Tanya, and another friend of ours, and she was telling some fake story about how her sister got married and stuff like that. You know, that is the beginning of like I got to know her from that time, and uske baad se life went downhill. Seriously.
Her sister did not get married. She had an imaginary sister,
Yeah.
an imaginary family of that Jiju, and suddenly they met in a mall. I don't know which mall, whatever, and they were wedding shopping. And I don't know until this date that wedding has happened. Honestly,
Hi
मतलब
Tanya. हाँ, sorry.
it was like पूरे फर्स्ट पीरियड से लेके 8 पीरियड तक उसका अपना अलग एकता कपूर था. कोई तो सीरियल चलता था भाई. कसम से. She used to tell all these things. अब ये हो गया, फिर वो हो गया, और फिर मैंने ये earrings खरीदे, whatever. So that is it. She was this girl.
Frankly, I became close to her in 10th standard because tum log ka section got changed and I was stuck with her in a different section. So then was a time when I became close to her, and frankly, I genuinely thought that she's a very good friend, but over time I realized that she was never truly a real friend or a true friend.
She was not a good friend. She was a good liar.
Hi, she was a bitch. Sorry to say.
Bitch,
That
bitch.
too.
And her obsession, boys. Like, forget school syllabus. She was just busy completing the boyfriend syllabus of hers.
I know, I know. And the problem was she used to drag us into all that when we did not even ask for it. मतलब जबरदस्ती उसको था कि you guys should also socialize with her so-called followers back then. Crazy.
भाई मेरे को अभी
Like,
भी याद है like she used to go to visit her boyfriend and she wanted someone to ride the scooty ठीक है and she thought of me as a Ola person or something कि जो उसको बैठा के लेके जा रहा है in
Rapido
some very
driver.
narrow street जहाँ पे like there's so much traffic and I'm waiting there कि भाई ठीक है इसकी बात हो गई अपने बंदे से we can go and like some idiot I used to stand there for like 1 hour 45 minutes की and sometimes तो और crazy she did not go to meet वो बस उसको देखने जाती थी दूर से that her so-called boyfriend was sitting in his shop or something and I used to be like कि भाई मैं यहाँ क्या कर रही हूँ पता नहीं thought कि maybe I'm being a good friend.
Also, guys, we are from a girls' school, and I don't know why some random guys used to just be there outside school, like after school used to get over, and उनमें से एक बंदा इसका boyfriend था. मतलब embarrassing, but yeah, था. She was dating one of them.
I tell you,
भाई
this
ये
girl,
तो फिर भी हाँ
this girl was so crazy. This one, she used to pass on my number to random guys, and उस time पे मेरा अपना phone भी नहीं था. It was my mom's phone, and she used to pass on my number. And then random guys texted me, and one day what happened, I'll tell you what. Some guy texted me like a normal text. Hi, Ishu, can we meet? And next morning, my mom woke up, saw that message, and my mom thought that is some guy I know. And then my mom woke up my dad, and there was entire scene in my house because of this one girl. And then I to said to my dad, I know who has done this. It is probably this Tanya person who would have passed on my number. And of course, my parents knew that this girl did this. But crazy, bro. She told those guys to approach me and also told them that I'm a bitch. If you want to be my PR, at least don't do this, man.
भाई my
Firstly,
story.
वो हमें लेके जाती थी अब because she wanted to meet her boyfriends and फिर उसके boyfriends के friends से हमारा नाम link up कराती थी. We were least interested in those men, frankly. Like, then there was this whole rumor in school ki, okay, we are dating those men. Like, bro.
Wow.
भाई लड़के तो फिर भी बाद में है स्टोरी में. I remember this one time I was I, Ishita and that Tanya, we participated in West India's annual function में, ठीक है, in our school. And I was very naive back then. Like I was like कि मतलब
Of
ठीक
course
है,
you
जो
were.
अगर सामने वाला जो बोल रहा है वो सही होगा. So I remember एक तो मेरी फूटी किस्मत, ठीक है, we got our separate costumes, ठीक है, it was a capri, a top and something like that. And the day we were shown our like ऐसे dresses की, ठीक है, तुम्हें ये पहनना है, and there was this trial, ठीक है. And then after few days my dance teacher comes and tells me कि your costume is missing. I'm like, how can my costume be missing? मेरी किस्मत उधर भी खराब. And then ठीक है, they got another costume for me. And there was a band which we had to wear in the hand ऐसे कि dance करते समय. It was an accessory. So my dad bought it for me, and I remember very specifically there was some initials on it, some M या something कुछ लिखा था. And we were doing some trial dance 2 days before the annual function, ठीक है. तो we wore the accessories and dress and we were dancing, ठीक है. उसके बाद क्या होता है कि I keep my things in my bag and I go somewhere and then I don't notice it. फिर मैं final day पे when I take my bag and we are told कि 1 घंटे में तुम्हारी मतलब performance है, get dressed up and stuff. I'm looking for my bands and they're nowhere to be found, ठीक है. And then ठीक है, dance हो गया. I had to somehow मतलब get another band and stuff. जब डांस करके वो बंदी रूम में आती है एंड शी वाज सेइंग समथिंग एंड आई वाज लाइक कि एक सेकंड. आई हेल्ड हर हैंड. आई एम लाइक ये तो मेरा बैंड है. आई मीन आई वाज लाइक कि बट स्टिल आई कुड नॉट कन्फ्रंट हर कि यार फिर उसको बुरा लग जाएगा क्या, क्लासिक मी. एंड भाई दिस वाज जस्ट द स्टार्टिंग. उसके बाद वी वेंट ऑन ट्रिप. वी वेंट टू लाइक some place and we bought some souvenirs and she did not buy anything for herself, ठीक है. तो उसके बाद से we were traveling in a bus, ठीक है, which was double decker. She was ऊपर ही, ठीक है, ऊपर वाली सीट पे वो थी and my bag was there, ठीक है. So I went there. I had to take out something off my bag, ठीक है. And she was there. She said कि मैं नीचे नहीं आऊंगी, मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है, ठीक है. And then we had dinner and stuff in the bus only. And फिर हम ऊपर गए and I had to take something out of her bag, ठीक है. And clearly I remember she did not मतलब buy anything. And I see some items which I bought in her bag. I'm like कि भाई ये बंदी कितनी बड़ी चोर है. Could have just asked it from me. मतलब कि you're stealing things from me at this point. भाई,
Or two.
the innocent
She
child in
stole
me
my
felt so bad.
top too, by the way.
Okay, she also stole your straightener, by the way. I remember that. Not only that, guys. Wait, let me come to something important. This girl in 10th standard, she used to borrow our workbooks, okay? And she used to, because उसकी वर्कबुक पूरी खाली होती थी क्योंकि वो तो पढ़ती लिखती थी नहीं, और वो हमारी वर्कबुक से आंसर देख के अपने कॉलोनी के लड़कों की वर्कबुक भरती थी. Like literally. So everybody
Not that.
in that area used to give their note workbooks to this Tanya person, और वो रात भर बैठ के उनका काम कंप्लीट करती थी, whereas वो खुद फेल होती थी. My God, crazy भाई.
And she was just so self-obsessed, like too self-obsessed. I
Narcissist.
remember I was with her in classes like coaching when we were together. And then, so from our school, there was just 5 or 6 of us, and other students were from different school altogether. And then there's rivalry between the two schools happening always. Okay? So there's this one girl from the other school. She's very sweet and good. Okay. So now this girl Tanya, she spreads rumor about the other girl sleeping with somebody or something. And this other girl, I'm so proud of her. She, in front of everybody, she just came up straight to her face and slapped her. And I was like, okay, oh my God, this was crazy. So after that, she actually requested me कि please mom को लेके अपने घर आ जा क्योंकि coaching में काफी scene हो गया है. Your mom will like kind of convince my parent, something like that. That is a big story and a stupid one.
Yeah, and also she said, I remember that अब मैं इतनी सुंदर हूँ तो मैं क्या करूँ कि सारे लड़के मेरे पीछे आते. And bro, also when we
And
used,
this is all happening in 9-10 standard.
yeah, when we used to go out, I remember she always used to call, like text boys to and tell them her location and literally ask them to come see her there. And then
Yes,
when
yes.
all these guys came there and we hated those guys, she knew that, so she pretended like मैंने तो नहीं बुलाया
तो बुलाया ही नहीं है,
यार,
right.
वो तो मुझे इतने लोग फॉलो करते रहते हैं, मैं निकल रही थी घर से तो किसी ने देख लिया होगा तो वो आ गए, अब मैं क्या करूं, तुम लोग तो मेरे दोस्त, oh my god, crazy.
I remember this one time, you guys, all three of you came to my place, like my mom made some food, ठीक है? तो I just remember this कि वो मेरे घर, she wore something else when she came to my house, ठीक है? And then she came, we had fun, we were like eating and मतलब ऐसे मस्ती कर रहे थे. And then before leaving, she goes to my mother's room, she changes her top, and then she goes back home. And I don't know, meanwhile वो रास्ते में किससे मिलने वाली थी या क्या करने वाली थी. My mom is like कि ये कैसी दोस्त है जो घर पे आके तुम्हारे कपड़े बदल रही है when she has to go home. I'm like, I don't know.
No, and you know what, there were days जब उसको घर से बाहर जाना होता था and her dad or someone was at home because her dad was like strict or whatever as per her version. तो भाई वो क्या करती थी, she used to self invite herself to our places. You remember? Because I remember एक बार ऐसे I was at my home and then she suddenly texted me, can I come to your place, can I come to, I was like, no, why do you want to come to my place, I'm alone and also my mom is not at home, I cannot make food or stuff. So like, no, let me come. I was like, okay. And then वो अपने आप ही आ गई और उसने घर पे बताया कि मैं पहुंच गई हूँ. And then she made me talk to her dad कि हाँ हाँ she is here. And उसके 5 मिनट बाद she left because उसको किसी से मिलना होगा, boyfriend whatever. I was like,
And
dude.
also, she used to keep Rosa for her boyfriends, by the way, guys.
Yeah. Here comes the tea, the hot tea. So all of this that we told abhi tak was like bits and pieces of our lies, okay? Here comes the biggest lie, where after we were done with school, so all of us started to pursue some professional course. So we were pursuing law. And this Tanya person told us that she was moving to Delhi to pursue medical or something. Okay, cool. So we thought, okay, she's going and whatever. But the crazy thing is, when she was going, she did not even meet us once because, as per her version, she was leaving. She should have met us, but we were like, okay, she would have been in hurry or something. चलो ठीक है, यहाँ तक ठीक था. But एक दिन what happened कि हमें पता चलता है somehow कि ये लड़की तान्या हमारे ही शहर में है और वो कहीं भी नहीं गई है. और वो हमें कैसे पता चला is the most crazy part. And I think Priyanshi, you should continue.
So हमारी investigation skills are like top notch, ठीक है? So what happened? She put some story, and I guess I think it was a birthday or something like that, or some friend का birthday उसके, ठीक है?
I
She
guess it
put
was
some
her
story.
birthday. It was her birthday.
हाँ, it
Yeah,
was
I
her
now
birthday.
remember. It was her birthday.
So and उसके बाद she put some story, and नीचे फोटो में बैकग्राउंड में there was some metro construction going on, ठीक है? And at the same time I guess लखनऊ में भी वो काम हो रहा था, but it was not the only thing we saw. There was a car in the picture. She मतलब hid the number plate, उस पे जो number लिखा था, she put some sticker on it, and we were like okay, we were still thinking, ठीक है? And then she posted another picture from the chocolate room, which is very famous in Lucknow. So we were like मतलब what is all this? So we put all these bits and pieces together and we thought कि maybe she's in Lucknow, ठीक है? So we did not ask her पहले. Three of us having one brain cell together, we decided कि let's go and find out कि we took PCM in our 12th standard, ठीक है? And she was from bio background. So for the longest time we knew, and she told us कि she had this obsession with bio and she wants to crack NEET and stuff like that. So she convinced all of us too hard कि उसको तो doctor ही बनना है. And we were like कि ठीक है. And then when we saw all these stories, we were thinking कि what if she's not in Delhi, because she's someone who posts every single thing on social media, ठीक है? Be it her food, be it her friends, सब कुछ. So we were like curious. She's in Delhi for months and she hasn't posted anything. So then we did some research, ठीक है, कि what coaching institute is there in Lucknow, because we were getting some hints कि maybe she's in Lucknow, ठीक है? हमने बहुत research किया and we found out this XYZ coaching was in Lucknow only. We went there. कड़कती धूप में हम जा रहे हैं, leaving our own classes, ठीक है? And भाई shameless, we go there and we are standing नीचे and contemplating कि यार ऊपर जाना चाहिए कि नहीं. And still we don't have the guts. फिर हम we take out the receptionist number Google से, we call them and we ask कि यहाँ पे कोई तानिया नाम की लड़की पढ़ती है क्या? She's pursuing some medical course ऐसे करके. तो they're like कि नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And then still we were still doubting. We went there ऊपर coaching में, we talked, and I guess there was some faculty or someone, and we asked कि इस नाम की कोई बंदी यहाँ पढ़ती है क्या? And they were like no.
And you know, I remember कि वहां पे जितने भी बच्चे थे, we thought क्या पता कि रिसेप्शनिस्ट को ना पता हो, उसके पास रिकॉर्ड है, बट क्या पता उसे नहीं पता हो. एंड दिस तान्या पर्सन कैन नॉट फूल अस बिकॉज शी थिंक्स वी आर हर फ्रेंड. तो फिर हमने वहां के बच्चों को लिटरली स्कैन किया, एक एक को, कि वो दिखे. और बच्चों से भी पूछा कि ऐसी कोई लड़की है। इनफैक्ट आई थिंक हमने शायद फोटो भी दिखाई थी कि ये लड़की कभी आई थी कोचिंग या कुछ, तो टू मेक श्योर कि क्या है सीन, आर इन्वेस्टिगेटिव
हमें भी चुल नहीं थी फ्रैंकली।
भाई वी ऑल्सो वेटेड टिल ऐसे 3-4 जब उनकी क्लासेस खत्म हो गई थी कि बाहर निकलते निकलते हमें दिख जाए।
या
यस।
फिर आफ्टर दैट हमें कुछ रिजल्ट नहीं मिला एंड देन आई थिंक अदिति विल टेल द नेक्स्ट पार्ट।
तो फ्रैंकली उसके बाद हाँ वी वर लाइक अगेन बैक टू नॉर्मल कि ठीक है मे बी हमें सब शक हो रहा होगा एंड मे बी शी इज नॉट हियर एंड व्हाटएवर। हमने बहुत ही वी वेंट लिटिल टू ओवरबोर्ड टू see what she's up to. All that happened. So now we were also doing a crash course for our law examination. So we were enrolled in a particular classes. Abhi now that classes has a lot of branches in Lucknow itself. So now this girl, this girl, I tell you, she is pursuing the same thing what we were pursuing from a different branch of the same classes. So now in Lucknow, we used to have some classes जिसमें mix और match of students होता था and some students from different मतलब
Branches.
centers used to come to our center for some classes. So एक बंदी उसमें से मेरे Instagram पे added थी and so one day what happened and that girl was Tanya's friend as well from her center. So now suddenly one day she posted a picture with her like connecting all the dots and then we were like okay damn she is here and we were right. The only fact where we went wrong was that we thought ki she was pursuing NEET or she was taking classes for NEET, but no, she was actually taking classes for law entrance exam. And yeah, that's how we know that she was actually in the same city pursuing the same thing what we were pursuing and lying throughout and also telling us on our face that we are her best friends. And above all that, when we confronted the same to her, उसके बाद भी she was lying clearly कि नहीं मैं नहीं हूँ यहाँ पे, मैं दिल्ली में हूँ, I am doing this, I am doing that, and I guess we asked for her ID card which she ignored. मेरे ख्याल से हाँ that
I don't
happened.
have an ID card. Like bro, तुम पढ़ाई करने जाते हो, तुम्हारे पास आईडी कार्ड नहीं है?
And also, all of this was happening because we were really hurt. Not that we hated we hated her then. It was just we being hurt ki bro, we were always there for you whenever you needed, whenever you wanted to meet your so-called boyfriends or the guys you were dating. We were always there ki हाँ ठीक है मतलब okay fine, like let us help her out or be it classes, be it studies or be it anything. So yeah, we were actually hurt. That's the reason we did all of this.
I was not actually.
Not that we're actually crazy.
I was just
I
in
was, bro.
the plot
I was.
because you guys trusted her, and I was like,
And then later she accepted also ना बाद में कि हाँ she's in Lucknow and she came to meet us, Ishita and I, and then Ishita was like कि मुझे नहीं
you
मिलना.
guys. She wanted to meet all of us, honestly, but I was like, I don't see the face of flyers, whatever, so I am not coming. But you guys,
Yeah.
being the most generous ones, were like, okay, we can meet, and you went there.
I went, yeah. I went to meet her
Oh,
in
Priyanshi was
mall
also with
and
you. You guys were together.
Priyanshi was there.
Yeah, Priyanshi.
मैं बाद में आई
Priyanshi
थी,
was
मैं बाद में आई
Priyanshi
थी you
बाद
guys.
में she came. मैं पहले I went to
पहले
meet her
उसने
in the
तुम्हें
mall and जब मैं
एकदम
लेके आई
झूठ
प्रियांश उसको हाँ तो फिर Priyanshi came.
Yeah, so
भाई नहीं I was also there and remember we took a selfie. She was like कि पहले उसने सब बता दिया पूरी गाथा गाती राम कथा and she's like let's take a picture and I'll post it on
And she was
Instagram. Bro,
crying
how fake
also,
can
bro.
you
She
be?
cried also why she lied because
yeah, because
basically
yeah, you say.
she gave us an excuse कि her boyfriend cheated on her, so she also cheated on us.
भाई we could have been her moral support. She decided to use it as a reason to not to
Boyfriend
tell
का-
us. भाई कौन दोस्त ऐसा करता है? Like if I have my breakup, the first person I go to is my friends. ठीक है? I don't.
And bro, frankly, 3 years later, 3 to 4 years later, I was having this conversation with one of her batchmates from school who was also close to this Tanya friend. And Tanya used her as well. And she was like, you dude, that girl, like, I regret so much being her friend. Like, she was actually genuinely sad about her own self. Ki, yaar, shit, मैंने उससे क्यों बात करी? She always used me whenever she wanted to meet her boyfriends. And I don't know, उस बंदी को इतनी सारे लोगों की जरूरत क्यों पड़ती थी अपने बंदों से मिलने के लिए?
Bro,
Like,
I
make one
remember
friend.
कि बाद
one
में तो
time
हमने मना कर दिया था कि हम तो नहीं
कि
करे ये सब, तुम अपना
भाई
क्रेजी मतलब। और भाई उसके बाद भी द थिंग इज कि द ऑडासिटी ऑफ दैट गर्ल तो even after all this what
Till today.
after all
Yeah,
this
till
happened,
today.
in fact she invited herself to your birthday, if you remember.
I remember and I'll tell you what actually happened. It was 12 at night, ठीक है, and I was getting calls from my let's say relatives and friends wishing me birthday, ठीक है, तो I got a call from some unknown number, ठीक है, नहीं पहले उसने अपने नंबर से कॉल किया मुझे, which I did not pick up. I was knowing कि वो है, I didn't want to talk to her, ठीक है, 2 बार कॉल आई, I did not talk to her, and then after 10 minutes I get a call from some random number, ठीक है, which is not saved in my phone, so that's that curiosity कि क्या पता someone is calling to wish me, so I pick up and she's like मेरा फोन नहीं उठाया जा रहा तुमसे, and I'm like oh sorry I was talking to someone, ये वो, she's like कि और बताओ कल पार्टी कहाँ है, I'm like कैसी पार्टी, and deep down everything was planned, ठीक है, like नहीं, she's like मुझे पता चला है तुम्हारी पार्टी है। I'm like कि हाँ यार है। She's like कितने बजे कब आना है मुझे? I'm like why are you RSVPing yourself to my party? And then I told these two guys and they're like अगर वो आ रही है तो मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ। I'm like भाई
Exactly.
मैं क्या
I
करूँ?
never wanted to come, so I decided in my head कि I तो I'm not going because you invited her, that bitch. So I am not going. But then I came, of course, and then this Tanya person, oh my god, bro, वो आके she's trying to have small talks with us, and she's like, और बताओ तुम लोग कैसे हो, कैसा चल रहा है, अभी भी तुम लोग मेरे से गुस्सा हो क्या? नहीं बहन.
And above all, like she was spreading rumors about my family, like some crazy
Yeah.
stuff. And she told some stuff about my family to my other friends, and they got so concerned कि उन्होंने मुझे call करा like, is everything all right in your family? I was like, हाँ, what happened? कुछ भी तो नहीं हुआ है. And then my friend was like, oh, Tanya told us this. I was like, no, nothing has happened. Like, please come ask me rather than like spreading and telling it to other people. So I texted her सामने से कि bro, why the heck are you spreading such things? She was like, मुझे लगा कि ऐसा हुआ होगा. मैंने बोला यू कांट से स्टफ लाइक दैट कि मुझे लगा ऐसा हुआ होगा व्हेन इट कम्स टू समबडीज फैमिली. लाइक अगर आपको लगा भी देन personally text me because you consider me as a friend, so you should text me and ask me is something wrong or not, like do you need our help or something. But no, she clearly told every other person except me.
No,
So then
she
I
also said, you remember, she also said that you told it to her and you have not told it to any other friend but her about this. Oh wow.
भाई इसका ड्रामा यहाँ भी खत्म नहीं हुआ था। Remember she
then
took admission in Ishita's college being a junior. Like that was the crazy part भाई. I think she was like a serial stalker. हर जगह पीछे जा
bro
रही थी।
bro with me, like I was always very kind to her कि ठीक है, she was a friend कभी, और मैं ऐसे बहुत rude होती नहीं हूँ लोगों से frankly. But then when that family thing happened, like that was the moment I blocked her. I was like no, I do not need this person in my life anymore. Like that was like, this is the it moment, done and dusted. अभी इसके बाद मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती इसके साथ.
भाई इस लड़की ने ऐसा दोस्ती से विश्वास उठाया है कि अब मैं
Yeah.
दोस्त के साथ ही दोस्ती में खुश हूँ, उसके बाहर मैं देखना ही नहीं चाहती. कि नॉट लाइक उसने मेरे
भाई
लिए पर्सनली कुछ किया हो, बिकॉज आई वॉज नेवर हर सो क्लोज फ्रेंड ऑनेस्टली, बट फिर भी आई वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस एंड आई न्यू दिस.
भाई ठीक है, मतलब बीइंग चीटेड इन अ रिलेशनशिप ठीक है, वी हर्ड अबाउट इट, बट आई थिंक जब कोई दोस्त आपके साथ गलत करता है ना तो वो एक दूसरे लेवल पे हर्ट करता है, बिकॉज
That hurts more
फ्रेंडशिप
than a
एंड
breakup.
रिलेशनशिप आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. लाइक फ्रेंडशिप में यू जस्ट गिव योरसेल्फ कंप्लीटली, लाइक दिस इज माय फ्रेंड, व्हाट्स द वर्स्ट दैट कैन हैपन. एंड उसने बता दिया कि व्हाट्स द वर्स्ट दैट कैन हैपन विद यू. लाइक मी, शी वाज द वर्स्ट थिंग दैट हैपेंड टू अस.
Yeah,
एंड उसकी वजह से आवर पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू बी सो कंसर्न्ड यार कि लाइक
I know because she was the one that, what do you get call it as, Kala, what is that, black sheep of the friend group. तो फिर आर पेरेंट्स थॉट कि हम भी उसके चक्कर में ऐसे ही हैं. और भाई पता है तुमको, अगर तुम उसका फोन नहीं उठाओ ना, मतलब जब हमारे पास पर्सनल फोन आ गए थे, तुम उसका फोन नहीं उठाओ तो वो मेरी मम्मी को फोन कर देती थी कि फोन नहीं उठा रही है इशिता. आई एम लाइक, तो तुम समझ जाओ ना, इशिता इग्नोर कर रही है, आंटी इशिता फोन नहीं उठाती, आंटी इशिता बात नहीं करती. अरे क्यों करेगी इशिता तुमसे बात भाई? बट
dude, I
थैंकफुली
clearly
I have
remember.
never gotten such friends honestly, तो I am तो good.
Oh, bro, like our farewell, like it's the last day of our school. Even then, she forced me to go with her to meet her boyfriend, and I had to leave the farewell early. I was so dumb and naive and stupid back then that I left the farewell early. मतलब I regret that day till now कि मैंने क्यों करा उसकी वजह से. And like she's not even here anymore. So stupid.
R.I.P. Tanya. I
Definitely.
mean, she is here, but not among us.
Like, Tanya was like the imposter of our group.
पर
Oh
भाई
God.
मतलब she used to bitch about me to you guys, about you guys to me. मतलब ऐसे उसने पूरे से जाल बिछा रखा था. Like there was a point I think we did not communicate well, like me with either of you, because उसने तुम लोग की काफी बुराई की मेरे से, and vice versa also.
I did not talk to her that much कि वो बुराई करे, बट हाँ मुझे काफी अच्छा कूल आइडिया था इस बात का कि वो ऐसा करती है, बट आई लेफ्ट उसको इतना अटेंशन है ना काफी पहले ही, सो.
And
बट
also you left our school,
लाइफ
now you
लेसन,
changed school.
Now you change
That's
the
why
school.
also.
I changed the school, yeah, because of Tanya. Anyways, guys, with this, we come to this end of this ranting episode about fake friendship. I hope you guys do listen to our episode and do learn something, that never fall for such people who are liars. And if you get to know one lie, just run. Just don't give them another chances as we did. So yeah, do like, share, and subscribe to Sip Happens, the only podcast on Zoom, you know. Okay, bye.
Bye
Bye
guys,
bye.
love you. Take care.